The requirements screen collates the demand from our sales orders, works orders, and quantities becoming available from purchase orders and takes into account any minimum stock requirements. You will see on the requirements screen that we have a sales order demand from a sale order number 2 for 50 stainless steel frying pans 12-inch. We can include in this demand any sales plans there might be by checking this box. We can now see that the stainless steel frying pan has an additional demand of 100 from the sales plan. We need to generate a works order for the production of the frying pans. By simply clicking on this cell, a new works order window opens, allowing us to accept or alter the date and preset default economic batch quantity for production of the stainless steel frying pans from the order. We click OK and the system shows us the planning of the works order for our chosen required economic batch quantity of 1,000 stainless steel frying pans to fulfill both works orders and have some left for stock. The detail of the planned order is shown here. The system also suggests that in order to make the 1,000 frying pans, we will need 1,000 lids and 1,000 bases. So, as before, we can click the cell to generate the works order. The material to produce these items is bought in. So, in the same way, if we follow the bill of materials for all the required parts, we see the system generating a works order for all the parts needed. Provided that the information regarding this product has been input during a previous order, the new purchase order window appears with input boxes completed. The preferred supplier can have several alternatives. The supplier stock reference number can be altered, as too can the unit price, the date we require delivery, the pack size, the unit of measure, and the conversion rate. The supplier's stock quantity here can also be altered, and it should be noted that this converts to our own stock quantity indicated here below. We then click OK to see a complete material requirements plan. Alternatively, instead of doing that ourselves, having placed our sales orders, we can ask the system to suggest works and purchase orders by clicking this link. The system then presents these suggestions in the boxes below, and we're able to select those we wish. As previously shown, these planned orders are included in the material requirements plan. The same with purchase orders. Add selected planned orders, which further updates the requirements plan. Once we're confident with the input to the requirements plan, we can ask the system to create the planned orders by selecting the button at the bottom of the screen. The works order is then created and shown on the works order items screen, and the purchase order is created and shown on the purchase orders listing screen. It is important to note that the purchase orders have not at this stage been sent to the supplier. The system requires us to verify that we're confident with the order by checking the box en masse or individually, then edit, update, and send as appropriate. As always, according to the settings in the supplier file, the order will either be printed for posting or emailed to the supplier. It's recommended that our terms of purchase accompany the order. Finally, the works orders and the purchase orders are summarized on the summary screen.